Y'all haven't gotten this deal from Walgreens for the laundry detergent, y'all better go run. So in this vlog, as you see, I just got some more laundry detergent for $1.95 each, and then we went off to the library for a kid's craft activity.
The library.
Lock the door?
We at the library.
Guys, I like this place.
It's a different library.
Look, I did it.
Do this.
You gotta do it lightly.
Look all that.
And then
Put that back up there.
that's a good job. Here, and then you gotta start putting these down like that.
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah.
See? Good.
Here, I'm gonna put it over here so you can do it.
Cool.
Aren't you like, whatever. Whatever.
Wait, you
We
put
got a
the
lot more to go,
Put your
so.
hand on it, sugar.
Let me make that up. Wait, what are we making, Mommy? We making a ninja turtle?
Yeah.
There's some glue right there.
Give me here, mommy. Here, mommy. All right, look. Look. Look, mama. Let me see, mama.
Okay.
Look. Here.
I got two more to go.
Here. This.
I got more to go. Okay, let's stick it on.
Good job.
Stick the pieces on. Okay.
And where's your little dots? Is this yours?
Yeah. This is.
There go your eyeball.
Mommy, I actually got 3 more eyeballs. Look,
Okay.
Daddy, these ones are yours. Wait. Hey, Ben, here's
You gotta put your eyeball up there before the glue dry. And now we gotta do the mouth. Okay,
I already know.
here.
The time is running out.
Look at that.
Mama.
Look at that ninja turtle. We're gonna put this in the
What you doing? What you doing?
You supposed to be going shopping and you took all of the bags. I mean.
I'm gonna put the fly in here. I'm gonna put the... Mommy, there's a fly in here, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave.
Thank you, mama. You get mad? Mama? Mama?
Any people that come to my place, they could
Can I get some tea, please? Can I get some tea?
We got tea. We got tea.
Can you give me some tea, please?
I gotta get
Ma'am, that's
some.
not tea, ma'am. Ma'am, I want some tea, ma'am. Ma'am, can I get some tea? Can I get some tea, ma'am?
I got tea. I got
That's the cups right here. I want some.
Look at you, look at you. Look. Okay, so don't beat them up.
Thank you. You mad we didn't clean up after ourselves? She's slamming the dishes today. You got a burger?
Burger. It's only lettuce in there.
Oh,
Thank you.
baby burger. Put it on the front of the car.
This is our car. She can do it.
I put it by side.
Here, let's roll this up. Good job. And I got you a driver's license. And I got you a license plate. The best way to do it is to make a